Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to have a look at the new paper pattern of mathematics for the academic year 2021. As already government declared, instead of having two papers, this academic year the students are going to write only one paper. That paper is for 80 marks. And from the school, students are going to get 20 marks for their internal tests. So total 80 plus 20, 100 exams they will finalize. And this time they increased some duration also. So the total time for each exam is 3 hours 15 minutes. So total paper as usual is divided into part A and part B. Part A is descriptive and part B is objective. So in the part A, we will be having 3 sections. So if you look at the first section is divided into two groups again, group A and group B. In group A, 6 questions will be given. In the group B is also 6 questions were given. So in group A, out of 6 questions, any 3 we need to write. Same from the group B also, out of 6 questions, any 3 we need to write. So total from group A 3 questions, from group B 3 questions, 3 plus 3. 6 questions we are going to write from section 1. So each question carries 2 marks. So 6 2s are 12 marks. 12 marks are going to be awarded from the section 1. Next, in section 2, groups are not there. So directly they give 8 questions total. So out of those 8 questions, any 4 questions we need to attempt. So every question carries 4 marks. So 4 4s are 16 marks are going to be credited from the section 2. Next, section 3, again it is divided into group A and group B. In group A, 4 questions are given. In group B also 4 questions are given. From the 4 questions from group A, we need to write 2 questions. From 4 questions from group B, we need to write 2 questions. So total 2 plus 2, 4 questions we need to write from the section 3. So each question carries 8 marks. 4 8s are 32 marks are going to be credited from the section 3. So total part A, we will be having 3 sections, section 1, section 2 and section 3. In section 1, group A, group 2. In group A, 3 questions we need to write. In group B, 3 questions we need to write. So total 6 questions from section A. In section 2, groups are not there, but they gave total 8 questions. From those 8 questions, any 4 we can write. In section 3, again they divided groups, group A and group B. From group A, we need to write 2 out of 4. From group B also, we need to write any 2 out of 4. Next, part B. This time it is little difficult to finish this part B. I hope so, because every time we will be having only 10 questions in part B and each question carries half mark only. So 10 into half, 5 marks they used to give. But this academic year, part B is for 20 marks. 20 questions are there. Each question carries 1 mark. So 20 questions we need to write in part B means it will take almost more than half an hour compulsory. So we need to have perfect knowledge, perfect concept of each and every topic, then only we can able to get 20 by 20 in the part B. So we need to do more hard work, especially based on these multiple choice questions.